Hello, guys, and today let's learn a YouTube thumbnail using a software called Canva online. Let's get to it. As you can see, I'm already on Canva dashboard, and we are going to make a thumbnail. So the thing I love about Canva, it gives you all the preset designs and sizes that you want. So if it's a Facebook post, you can do a Facebook post. As you can see here, there's a Facebook post, Facebook cover, book cover, whatever it is, Instagram post, whatever it is that you want to make, post that you would love to make, or picture with quoted picture that you would love to make. It's easy to make. So today we're going to focus on this a YouTube thumbnail. So we're going to scroll and find the YouTube thumbnail. So keep scrolling. YouTube channel at YouTube thumbnail. Since already I know these are the size it should be, and already I know how I have already done it before, so I'm just showing you what you need to do. This is where you come, click on it, and then it will open. Since I've done it before, I'll open one of the pictures that I've done, and then I want to modify this one. So let me just click on that. Okay. And if you just want to see your thumbnail, you can just come here on thumbnail. It will just open the same. They always open in a new tab, so you don't have to worry about the step that you want at. You can either uh, choose different templates that they have, or they already have preset templates that you can use. So you can choose one of them. This is what I'm using right now. One that I modified to my own. That's a template. This is the template that they have online, and this is what I modified it to be. I have modified it into my own design. This is how it is. So I want to. Right now, I just want to modify this one since I'm just looking to do a quick thumbnail. I'm not looking to start a whole design from the beginning. So that's how you just choose the thumbnail, then click on things. You can click and I want to change this into how to make money online. And then you can change the design as you want it, or the size, depending on how you want it. And we're going to change the size a little bit. You can also move the words to how you to whatever point you want, so to whatever point you would like it to be, and then resize it. And okay, we can do that, and maybe enlarge this a little bit. Okay, I think that looks pretty good, pretty okay, since I'm not looking to earn out there. And for beginners, I still want to keep that. And here I want to change this to be um, using ClickFunnels, and I might think I might make this a little bit bigger. Maybe I might change this font color to match the blue. So that's how you can change the color. And that's it. That's all I wanted to do to this. So all you have to do now is go to the right hand corner. You will see this download button. Just click on it, then go to download. Click on that, and then it will bring the preset that you will want it to be in. I like PNG because it's high quality, and also doesn't carry the background of your it's much more high quality image. You can do JPEG, PDF, PDF prints. You can also create an ebook using Canva also. So that's why they have PDF standards too. So all we want to do right now is PNG, then download, and your design will download immediately. And just save. It is as simple as that. And that's it, guys. See you on the next video.